of bases and the uses of bases. So the concept is uses of bases. Now as we know, bases are bitter in taste and they are soapy to touch. So these are the two characteristics of bases, that they are bitter in taste and they are soapy to touch. So when we talk about different bases, so let us take important bases one by one, and we will discuss the important uses of that base. So let us take the first base, and that is the base of calcium hydroxide. So this is a chemical formula of calcium hydroxide, and the most important use of this calcium hydroxide is in neutralizing the acidity in the soil. Now when the soil is acidic, it will not help in the proper growth of the crop, and if the crop is not of proper growth, it will not be of good quality and it will not be sold in the market, so the farmer will be in the loss. So we should have to neutralize the soil, and to neutralize this acidic soil we must add a base, and that base can be calcium hydroxide. Similarly, it is also used as a fungicide to kill the fungus inside the crop or inside the soil, and that mixture of calcium hydroxide along with other chemicals is known as a Bordeaux mixture, which is written as BORDEAUX, Bordeaux mixture or Bordeaux mixture, which is actually a fungicide which is helpful in killing off the fungus or the unwanted insects in the crop or in the field by simply spraying this mixture in the agriculture field. The next important use of calcium hydroxide can be in the manufacture of paints or white washes. It is used as a component because it is generally white in color, so we can add it is actually a component for paints and other white washes. So this was the concept, or this was the uses of calcium hydroxide. Now let us discuss the uses of magnesium hydroxide. Now the chemical formula of magnesium hydroxide is this. Now the most important use of magnesium hydroxide is as an antacid. So basically, when we don't take enough food, or when we are not taking proper food in proper duration of time, the stomach releases some acid, and that acid is basically the weak hydrochloric acid. And if there is excess accumulation of this acid in your stomach, you may feel the problem, or you may feel the disease of acidity. Now to overcome or to resolve this acidity in your stomach, you should take an antacid, or you should take a weak base. That weak base can be a magnesium hydroxide. So best example or best use of this base is to use as an antacid to cure the acidity in the stomach of the human beings. The third important base is sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide is an important base, and now let us discuss the uses of this base. So first important use of this base is in the manufacture of paper. To make paper from other components like we can get from the trees like latex, so we add other chemicals, and one of the chemicals is sodium hydroxide. It is also used in the textile industry to manufacture textiles on a very large scale. It is used in various industries of the textiles. It is also used in the manufacture of soaps and detergents. So these were the important examples, or these were the important uses of the bases. First we have discussed the uses of calcium hydroxide, and then we have discussed the uses of magnesium hydroxide, and the third we have discussed sodium hydroxide. So you must know in all the different types of bases, one thing is common to all these bases, and that is the component of hydroxyl ion, that is OH negative. So we have OH negative ion common in all bases, and we have H positive ion common in all acids. This was the concept of uses of bases.